Facebook fans, Instagram, YouTube. All right. So just in case some of you have not heard yet, I have done a cookbook, Joyful Cooking, just to make your life easier. It's simple, healthy, cat delicious meals made easy. That's why I did this book. It made my life easy, and I wanted to share with you. Some of you have asked me over and over again, what do you eat? What do I buy? How do you stay so, shouldn't say thin, but healthy? It's what I eat. Okay, so I'm going to just give you a little tips of, it's no meat in it. It is vegetarian and vegan, mostly vegan. But I'm telling you, this is so delicious. I'm in this book every day. I have plenty of energy, and I made this easy for you. So you go to my table of contents. All you need to do is say, what am I in the mood for today? Is it soup and salad? Is it a pasta dish? Desserts, healthy desserts. You can indulge, and you just go to that page. So for instance, if it's a sandwich, I go page 19, and I am in this book every day, for real. And I make a couple things in it every time. So I have my Better Than BLT there. A little sneak preview. I did post that on YouTube. So I'll have real time. If you want to make that with me, you're more than welcome. And I do offer the virtual cooking. So if anybody needs a little help, this book is for anyone. It's even for children. They can make these recipes in here. It's that easy. I'm serious. I don't have a lot of time to cook. And I said, how can I make life easier for all? How can I help people who don't even like to cook? And some of the recipes, a lot, are you're not even cooking. You're just making it. So I encourage you, if you have not gotten this book yet, you still can get it. Just go to the website, glorifiedbodiesfitness.com, and you can purchase it there, and your life will be changed. It's not your regular cookbook. This is absolutely different, like my friends at Different Breed stated, because I have my whole grocery list is in there. Of course, it's always evolving. I put that in. I put little healthy tidbits in there, nutritional information that will encourage you to eat right, because you are worth it. You are worth having a body that's healthy and strong, and what you eat does affect you mentally and spiritually. So I encourage you to start making those lifestyle changes. Start to revamp your eating style, your what you eat on a normal day. You know it's unhealthy for you. You can do this, because I did it. I used to eat very unhealthy. And being a fitness instructor and trainer, I was not eating healthy. And this absolutely has changed my life by learning about nutrition and eating the foods that I need to eat. And I'm still work in progress, so nothing's perfect, but if you do have something, in moderation, and okay, cheesecake, not too good, but in moderation, okay? But this book will help you to be healthy, to help you feel better, to give you energy. I mean, at least that's what it's done for me, so I'm sharing it with you. So besides my grocery list, I put in my YouTube channel information. It is in the book, so you can get free workouts for life. You're right. So the gym or the fitness or the spa, that's good to have that too, but this is nice as a backup. So you have my YouTube channel. I have all kinds of workouts on there for all ages, lots of stretches. I have rebounding, some kickboxing. We're working on more Tai Chi stuff. I have Strong Nation, I have Zumba, it goes on and on. So, yes, I've been teaching for a long time, almost 40 years. So, it goes hand in hand, healthy eating and exercise. Yes? Okay, and your spiritual connection with your Creator. most important. Otherwise, all this is for nothing. Okay, what else did I have to share? You're going to share. You're going to share your testimonies, those who have the cookbook. Please put your comments in below, if you're on YouTube, of what your favorite recipes are, or your meals, or how it's made a difference in your life. I like to hear, and you can share it with others. So other people would like to know how this book has really made a difference. So I did it for you all because I care. I love you. And I think that's about it. I did put what I ate for 30 days in this cookbook. Whew, that was a lot of work in putting that down, and it's always evolving. So what I ate for 30 days may not be necessarily what you should be eating for 30 days, but it gives you an idea what I ate. And every recipe in here, I want you to tweak. I want you to make it your own. So whatever you have in your home, you can change it up and make it work for you. So I'm so happy. I went forward with this at your request. And I want you all to get an opportunity to get this book. So one more time, Joyful Cooking. It's on the website, glorifiedbodiesfitness.com. So, and then I will see you all soon for some workouts. I'm excited. Going to have a lot of exercises coming up. I'm going to be posting, and feel free to go to the website to book a class or training session with me. That's good too. And I'm here for you for the virtual cooking. If anyone needs me, just let me know. All right then. Peace and love. See you soon. Bye, y'all.